Hi, welcome to InfoComm 2026. This is Satoshi Kanemura for America. One of the neat products for InfoComm is this FA-1616. This is just one U body, but you can do anything in, anything out. SDI in, IP out, JPEG XS, 3G, 4K, anything, or Dante, MADI, audio, anything in. And you can convert color correction, UDC, or up-down cross, or SDR, HDR, you name it. You can do any conversion you want. And then not only this beautiful intuitive GUI web GUI, you can do it, but like me, old school people, you can do this knob. You can do the detail on the color corrections. And then as you can see on the back panel, this is all mini BNC there. And then in case of SDI to IP, 32 in and 32 out, versa, you can do SDI and 2110 conversion. That one U body, very powerful anything in, anything out products. If you need to know more detail, please visit our website, www.foe.com. Thank you.